It is with deep sorrow that we share the passing of Imkong L Imchen, a respected leader, visionary, and dedicated public servant of Nagaland. He breathed his last at Apollo Excelcare Hospital in Guwahati on Tuesday at the age of 75. A man of integrity and compassion, Imchen devoted his entire life to the service of his people. Born in Mangmetong village, Mokokchung district, he rose from humble beginnings to become one of Nagaland's most respected political figures. Despite battling health complications, including heart and kidney issues, he fought bravely till the very end. The state of Nagaland mourns the loss of this remarkable soul. A state funeral will be held at his official residence in Kohima on November 12, followed by traditional rites in his native village. His mortal remains were taken to Indisan village, Dimapur, where they lie in state for loved ones and well-wishers to pay their final respects. Imkong L Imchen's journey was one of unwavering dedication, from his early days as a student activist and tribal leader to serving 5 terms in the Nagaland Legislative Assembly. He was not just a politician but a voice of the people, always standing firm for justice, unity, and progress. He leaves behind his beloved wife, 4 sons, and 2 daughters, along with an entire generation inspired by his leadership and humility. May his soul rest in eternal peace. He will forever be remembered, not just as a leader, but as a true son of Nagaland whose heart always beat for his people. Dove heart break.